Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the wireless signal and hidden camera detector. And it is 6-gear signal strength adjustment. I don't know, it's got a viewfinder and everything. So let's check this out here. I'm trying to open the top just so I can make it open a bit easier. It's got some, I guess, wipes to remove dirt and stuff. We have some instructions here. We have the device. We have a charging cable. I guess USB to USB-C. Let me see what we got here, and then we have the device. So this is what the device looks like here. It's nice looking, and it's got a little antenna, I guess, that comes up for the radio wave detection, and then it has this other little viewfinder here, which is going to be for our camera detection. And I guess you just kind of hold this down for a few seconds. We hold down the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. I'm gonna have lots of different radio. I'm gonna have a ton of radio waves detection in here. I'm in an apartment with all sorts of stuff. Let me see. And then this was the mode sensor right there, and then this is the thing. So right now I turned it on so I can detect cameras. I'm actually seeing it flashing off of there, I guess, because I have a camera. So it's very much so flashing. But let me put down this little antenna. But I have a hidden camera up over here in my corner in my kitchen, and I'm just gonna give this thing a try and see what I can see. It's funny, I have one eye that sees close and one eye that sees far. So this one here is seeing far. And when I'm looking through it, it's funny, I am looking through it and I see it's flashing up there on my camera. So that's what it is. I don't want the laser to go in my eye, but you get the idea. You kind of look through that, so it's got a red filter to it, which I guess filters out the normal red light, but because that's what it's shining. But then what it'll see is when it's shining back at you, I guess it reflects maybe a different color light or something. Not sure how it works, but that's kind of cool. Let me just turn that part off. Oh, you can change the speed, so I guess you just recognize it faster. I recognize it the same. It still flashes there. This one here now I'm not seeing. I don't know why, but okay. And then let me see. And then a different mode. I guess this one here is a little green light. I guess I don't know if that's just a flashlight or a different mode of detection, but it can detect. I mean, I got it just for cameras, like in hotel rooms and things like that. But it's pretty cool. It's a nice little portable device, and that definitely works in the wireless signals. I would have to adjust the sensitivity. I think mine's probably set for max sensitivity, but I've got everything transmitting going on right here. So especially with this and the microphone and whatnot. So it works. It definitely detects all the different transmissions. So pretty cool. I like this. So if you need a little one that's nice and portable and stuff, and I like this, and rechargeable, thumbs up.